Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Credit Karma to Coinbase. So first thing that you want to do is actually you want to open the Coinbase on a desktop or laptop. This will unfortunately not work on the application, so you will need to be on a desktop in order for this to work. Anyway, once you went ahead and logged into your Coinbase account, the next thing that you're going to do is go ahead and select on the top right on your profile picture like so, and then we're going to go ahead and select over here and where it does says settings. Then it is going to bring us a menu that looks like this, and all we need to do is just go ahead and scroll down until you see this option over here that says API. And essentially that what we're going to be doing next is we're going to be creating an API key, and this API key will basically let Coinbase know that Credit Karma can actually access all the information and stuff like that. So if you're trying to update your net worth, then you will need to go ahead and do this. But anyways, it is going to take you to the API key management. So all we need to do is from here, we need to go ahead and create an API key. So let's go and do that. So press on this, and you guys have the option to give it a name. So I'm going to be calling it like test like. So, and guys, you could also select on the portfolio. So I do have it on default, but if you have multiple portfolios, then you want to go ahead and select on which one it is. And over here, we do have an IP. So if you want to make it so specific to only one location, then you guys could definitely do so. So from here, it's basically just once you're done with all that, all you want to do is just press on this button right here that says create and download. So it is going to give you your API key name and your private key. So here is where things gets really serious. So you just make sure to keep your API key name and private key somewhere safe. So I recommend that you guys copy them and save them down into somewhere that you know where it's safe. And I even recommend you guys to write these down on pieces of paper because that's how serious it is. So please just make sure to go ahead and save this information right here because it is only going to show up one time and then it's never going to show up again. But anyway, once you went ahead and saved your key, all you want to do is you want to press on this button over here that says I saved my key. And then there you go. We now have our API key right over here. So guys, you just go ahead and manage it over here. And you guys can activate it or deactivate it. But we can go ahead and copy our key ID. Now, next thing that we need to do is we head over to the Credit Karma. And basically, once you're in the Credit Karma, you guys can also go ahead and use that API key and then input it. And then it's going to take your information from Coinbase and then put it to the Credit Karma, where you can go ahead and take a look at your net worth and stuff like that. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!